Becoming familiar with and navigating around in WHM. Each hosting account created in WHM has its own cPanel, an end-user control panel. Let's take a look around. In this center frame, there are several icons we can click on. These icons correspond to headings in this left frame. Clicking on an icon will bring up sub-icons that correspond to all the tools available on the left. Click the Account Information icon. Here are the 5 tools available to use under Account Information. To access any of these tools, you can click on the corresponding icon in this frame. You can also click on the link here in this menu frame. You could have also done this from the WHM homepage. Scroll down here to see all the tools available in WHM. As you can see, there are dozens of tools available to you. Click the News link. This is where you would get updates and the latest news from cPanel. Click the Change Log link. This page shows detailed information of your version of WHM, historical information about when it was updated, and what changes were made. To log out of WHM, simply close your browser or click the Logout link. This is the end of the tutorial. You should now be more familiar with WHM and how to navigate its pages. For more information on how to perform specific tasks, please refer to our other videos.